2013 Mercedes GL450. How to verify that you do have a timing gear issue with your 1685 timing code. The easy way, well, I'm doing something else on this motor. You can actually do this without taking anything apart. It's kind of a little bit more complicated, but if it's a bank one like this one, you can see the gear from here. If it's this one's, I mean, that doesn't happen on the exhaust. Maybe it's gonna happen in here. You can take out the sensor. What you need to be watching: this is the body of the gear, this is a sensor trigger wheel, and rotate the engine. They should always stay in the same position. Now, it's gonna do it right about now. Come on. Yep, it did it. Did you see it? The camshaft spinned forward. That means your locking pin inside of a gear is worn out. Hold on, let me see if it's gonna do it again. Yep, it does it. You see the gear spins and the trigger wheel sits on one spot. That's not okay. It's not normal. Now come on. Fuck. Now it's gonna spin back. Watch it. Come on. Yep. You see that? Yeah, it's a real pain in the butt to do it by one hand and trying to film it. But that's all you need to do to 100% verify that your vvti gear is trashed. What happens inside, it's got like a metal plate. I don't remember which part is it. I think it's gonna be the one here. Actually, this gear does not look like a Mercedes gear. Maybe it's a used one. I mean, maybe it's a cheap one, well, whatever. But what happens is it gets worn out and the locking pin doesn't hold it in a position. It jumps. When it jumps like that, that's what's causing your trigger wheel to shift, because it's kind of a very hard jump back and forth, and you get in your code for the cam sensor correlation, not because of the gear, because of the wheel shifting on the camshaft from this hard snap. You can move the wheel back, it's gonna stay in the correct position for some time, but if your gear is still messed up, it's gonna do it again. So the only fix for this, like a bare minimum fix, is the gear. Move the trigger wheel back in the correct position. You can do it by the data of the vvti gears, and put new gear, only Mercedes gear. Everything else is gonna be good for, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe not, I don't know. But I'm talking about original gears, is the only ones that work, not the fake ones that you can, yeah, you can see it, it's moving again. Yep. Yep, that's it. Yep. What do you need for this test? 27mm socket. Now, here I got the fan out. It's very easy to do with the fan out, but if you don't have the fan out, you need a semi-deep 27mm socket, because the long one, there is not enough room for the ratchet to fit inside of here with the fan, or you have to do it from underneath. But I did get by using a short socket, short stubby extension, and you know, kind of like that. So I was able to do it with some basic tools many times on these cars. It's kind of a not very comfortable, I mean not very pleasant, but this is the best way to confirm that your VVTi gear is messed up, and you're gonna have that cooled rattle start on the startups, and then you're gonna have the cam sensor codes that it's out of a correlation, but it's not. It's in my another videos. So this is the actual cause of the whole story with this code. All right, thank you.